the service has disactivated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you're listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from the National Weather Service office in La Crosse, Wisconsin. The current time is 11:14 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
Here's the weather at.
Scattered storms are expected across parts of central and northern Wisconsin this afternoon and evening, with dry weather to the south. A few storms may produce small hail and gusty winds. Generally dry and pleasant weather will prevail over the region heading into the weekend, with high temperatures ranging from the mid-60s to near 80. At 11 a.m. at the Rochester International Airport, it was sunny. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point 52, and the relative humidity 49%. The wind was west at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 29. The pressure was 30.04 inches and rising. It was sunny with a temperature of 72 at
So there it was on Thursday.
75 at Albert.